Now, today let's start with chapter number first, that is role of constitution. So, what is constitution? It is fundamental legal document. It contains rules according to the government of the country functions. So, these rules or laws are called basic law. ये superior होते हैं, and the law written in the constitution act as a source according to the rules and regulation. So, but the constitution constantly grow and evolves according to the needs of the people. भाई requirement के हिसाब से, needs के हिसाब से क्या होता है, वो change होता है. So, the need for a constitution, every country needs constitution for importance in democratic setup because it defines power of the government and that it does not misuse and violate the rights of citizen. Constitution take all the precautions to safeguard the right of the citizen, and generally government has various organ with specific power so that constitution define these power and prevents them from encroach. Another important functions of that constitution performs is to ensure dominant group and does not use its power against less powerful people or group. So, the constitution contains rules that ensures minorities are not excluded. So, framing the Indian constitution. So, Constitution of India was framed by Constitution Assembly which was set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan in 1946. यहाँ पे आपके 389 members, 13 committees were there, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and a draft of constitution was presented by 7-member drafting committee. किसके chairmanship पे? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And how many? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days were taken, and it has incorporated with the best feature. So, what are the feature of Indian Constitution? So, our Constitution came into our hands after a long battle with the foreign imperialists. Our freedom fighters had certain cause of ideals in their mind, but the trend to realize soon after they were in the India. So, we have silent feature of Constitution are federal government. Means it provide you with the federal form of government where two governments, एक central पे होती है और एक state पे होती है. ठीक है, we have 3 different lists, state list, union list and concurrent list. Union list में 97 subjects होते हैं जिसमें आपका defense, foreign affairs, currency, post, telegram, सब और. Right? इसमें only central legislature क्या कर बना सकते हैं, law बना सकते हैं. स्टेट लिस्ट में आपके 66 सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं लोकल इंपॉर्टेंस के, लाइक पुलिस, एग्रीकल्चर. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिस्ट में आपके 47 सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, बोथ सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट, जिसमें आपके मैरिज, डाइवोर्स, सोशल सिक्योरिटी सब कुछ होती है. राइट, देन वी हैव सॉवरेन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. इंडिया क्या है? सॉवरेन कंट्री. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज फ्री फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल कंट्रोल. ये क्या कर सकते हैं? फ्रेम करके अपनी पॉलिसी कैन बी डेडिकेटेड बाय अदर फॉरेन कंट्री. राइट, देन वी हैव India democracy, people of India. India is also a republic. This means that head of the nation कौन है इसमें? President, which is elected by the people. Right? Then we have a written and सबसे लंबा है written और lengthiest constitution है. यहाँ पे 395 articles है, 12 schedule है, and number of amendments जो है वो 96 है. The Constitution of India क्या है? सबसे lengthiest constitution. Right? Now parliamentary form of government मतलब जो आपके representative है, and these representatives do governance on the behalf of people. Right? A socialist and secular country. So, socialism is too important national goal. It means that the state will strive to remove inequality to income and standard of living. The major objective of socialism is to provide equal opportunity to all. The increased disparity between the haves and have-nots create immense inequality in the society. Now, the 5-year plan have managed to set our country on the path. The term secular means that all religions commands equal respect and recognition from them. No discrimination is ever made. Right? We are free to practice, preach and prefer any religion. Everybody is equal before law and they enjoy equal right, no matter कि क्या कास्ट है, क्या उनका फेथ है. Right? क्या करे. Now, universal adult franchise. That every citizen has right to vote above the age of 18 years. सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर. वी हैव लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव, जुडिशरी. लेजिस्लेचर का काम है लॉ बनाना. एग्जीक्यूटिव वर्क एज दे एग्जीक्यूट द लॉ विच हैज बीन मेड बाय द लेजिस्लेचर. जुडिशरी मीन्स टू रेगुलेट, न्याय दिलवाना कि कोई किसी का जो लॉ है, किसी का राइट. Fundamental right, our constitution guarantees certain basic rights to the citizen. Basically, we have 6 fundamental rights. Right to equality means everyone is equal before law. No one can be discriminated on the basis of caste, speed, color, and the religion. Right to freedom. Everyone is free to speech and form an association, right? And you have right to practice. आप अपने profession को practice कर सकते हो, occupation को. Right against exploitation. किसी को भी exploit नहीं करना on the basis of caste, creed and color. ठीक है, चाहे children हो जो below the age of 14 के साथ restriction तो है कि वो hard जगह पे मतलब जहाँ पे harsh condition है, factories है, mines है, वहाँ पे वो job नहीं कर सकते. Right to freedom of religion. Everyone has right to follow their own religion. ठीक है, अपने रिलीजन को फॉलो कर सकते हो. ठीक है, टू फॉलो अ रिलीजन ऑफ देयर चॉइस, प्रैक्टिस अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्पेसिफिक. राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडीज की जो पीपल है, इफ दे थिंक दैट देयर राइट्स आर बीइंग मिसयूज्ड or they are being neglected, they can go to High Court or the Supreme Court. Cultural and educational right means you have freedom to preserve and promote your language and tradition. Now, directive principle. So, our constitution gives some directives to the government to improve condition of the people. These make social or economic reforms in the country, right? Then we have fundamental duty. The original constitution of India did not have fundamental duties along with fundamental rights. By the 42 constitutional amendment, 1976 इसको add करा गया. These are some fundamental duties. Means to uphold and sovereign unity and integrity of India. आपको अपनी country के लिए defend करें at the time of war. तो अबाइड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कि जितने भी आइडल्स हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशन है, नेशनल फ्लैग, उनको आपको रिस्पेक्ट करना है. चेरिश एंड फॉलो नोबल आइडियाज, वैल्यूज और रिच हेरिटेज को प्रिजर्व करना है. टू प्रोटेक्ट एंड इम्प्रूव नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट, चाहे फॉरेस्ट वेक जो भी है, आपको हार्मनी और स्पिरिट ऑफ कॉमन ब्रदरहुड फॉलो करने हैं. टू स्ट्राइव टुवर्ड्स एक्सलेंस, टू डेवलप साइंटिफिक टेम्पर, ह्यूमैनिज्म एंड स्पिरिट ऑफ इनपर, to safeguard public property and to exert violence, right? These are some fundamental duties that you have to follow. Right, now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.